Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at some house building tutorials in Heartopia. Now in Heartopia, building your house is one of the core parts of the game, and it's actually very beginner friendly. Now once that you own a plot, you can go ahead and enter build mode and start placing floors, walls, and furniture freely. Now to enter build mode, what you need to do is to go close to your house right there. And then as you can see, this icon pops up right there. If you don't see this icon pop up, it means that you're still quite low in level and need to progress with the main story for now. So go ahead and click on solo building. This will put you into building mode right here. Now this will allow you to go ahead and play around with your house or your plot right here. So what you can do is you can actually go ahead and make as many changes as you want, such as removing things like so. So I have removed my window, or even like adding a different color to your walls, right so. Or even just going ahead and moving all of the materials itself. So it is not just walls that you can go ahead and do. You can also go ahead and move some of the furnitures around right here. So say for example, if I remove this right here, now what I need to do is to open it up. You can go ahead and start decorating your house as you want. Like this, and then we can go ahead and add this for our scooter outside like so. So this will allow you to go ahead and choose all of the furnitures, or if you want specific ones for each rooms that you have, you can go ahead and choose to do so as well. When you go ahead and click on these as well, you can change from the furniture, so like the items inside your house, to the building material, which is the actual, your house decor itself, the brushes, which is the interior or even exterior paintings of the floor, of the wall, on the outside as well as on the inside, as well as any pre-built places that you can go ahead and use. So say for example, this, if you want to add this simple or simplistic living room, just go ahead and click on this, and then this will give you an idea as to what is needed to be able to create this custom built or this pre-built combo right here. So this is actually what it looks like right here. And of course you can move things individually if you want as well. And there you go. It is highly flexible, so you can rotate, move, and remove any items at any time. So there's really no need to worry about making any mistakes. You can take your time experimenting with layouts and decorations, because there is no penalty in redesigning. As you progress with your game, you will go ahead and allow more plots right here to increase your house size. And yeah, it is all about just being creative. You can be as creative as you want rather than being efficient. So just go ahead and build at your own pace right there. And there you go. I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.